Well, hey everybody, I just want to jump on here really quick and say Happy New Year to everyone. This is our Grant family tradition. We do this every single New Year's Eve since, oh gosh, about 16, 17 years, I think now. Maybe even 18 years. Not sure. But we have a little bit of everything, a little charcuterie board, sans the fruit because I didn't have any. But we do steak and some chicken and some shrimp and scallops. And then just lots of veggies, some tomatoes and peppers, and mushrooms, and some onions and zucchini. And then we have some stuff for dessert. So I think it's mini eclairs. We have mini eclairs for dessert and some brown butter cookies. So from our house to yours, we just want to wish you guys a very, very happy New Year. And stay tuned for a big announcement tomorrow, you guys. January 1st. And don't forget, Canuary starts tomorrow. And the word of the day for the brand new year on New Year's Eve is going to be Happy New Year. So you guys comment in the comment section below. Make sure that you like and subscribe to be eligible to win the giveaway. And share this and help YouTube's algorithm get my videos out there. What this is like a little mini grill. So we're seasoning it right now. We're just going to put all the meat and things on top of here. I'll post some pictures on my community page. It's really, really cool. There's a little sterno down there. And we really enjoy doing this. So it's just us this year. But we've had as many, I think, as 10, maybe a little bit more people around this little tiny grill. So we've had really good times around this little grill. So Happy New Year, you guys, and stay tuned for tomorrow. Can't wait to see you guys, and Happy New Year.